Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to log into your Omar Dahfar Bank account online. So first we're going to go to our browser. So now we're going to search for Bank Dhofar. So next we're going to click on the link that pops up first. Then it's going to take us to their official website. So next we're going to click on the online banking option. It's going to allow us to choose the type of account we want to log in from. So I'm going to click for the personal one. It's going to take us to a separate page. So if we want to select a different language, we can change it by clicking on the preferred language option and clicking it on English. Next, we're going to put in our user ID. Then we're going to click on login, then our password. After that, we're going to click on login. That's how we log into our account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.